Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing fantastically well. So it's the weekend, it's time to reflect back on the trading of the past week. But for me, it's obviously the past 2 or 3 weeks because I've obviously been away for a lot of that time. So I've actually amalgamated all of the results into one final, almost end of the month report. It's also a good time to sort of look at what worked well, what didn't work so well, and what can I do better in the upcoming weeks. So that's also why I update my journal, update all of my lessons learned, and review that on a weekly basis to make sure that I'm always in the top shape to start trading the next week. And as always, I'll share my own true real accounts with screenshots and evidence of actually the performance I've made. So not just taking my word for it on the spreadsheet that I'm actually making profits, I can show you real hard evidence as well. If I do make losses, I'll always prove those as well, because ultimately losses are part of trading and we need to learn from them and move forward. So if I look at my overall tracking performance spreadsheet, this is where I try and gain 1% per week per account. And I have sort of a weighting score against each of the accounts so that if some of them are more prioritized that week, then obviously the scores will be skewed towards them slightly higher. So ultimately I had a score of 190. So 100 is my benchmark. So I've out-achieved what I wanted to do over the past couple of weeks. So starting at the top of my FTM accounts, one is a funded live account. I'm in a slight drawdown at the moment. I'm trying to get back into a profit, ready for profit split in about a week's time. Getting there, not quite where I want to be, but again, making progress all the way through. Next one is my challenge account. I'm not doing too much at the moment purely because I'm trying to focus elsewhere and get more momentum on the other accounts. But it's in the background, I'm not failing it. It's unlimited time, so I can just take this when I need to and just try and make some profits as and when they come. I'd like to get a bit more progress and get it back into a positive over the next couple of weeks. But again, not stressing about it. It's there for when I need it. OFP, talked about previous on the video, I've just had a payout from them, a nice $2,600. Nice to have that in my account after a little while. And then we start looking at some of my other accounts where I'm trying to build these over a longer period of time and transition away from some of the prop firms. My IG account is a spread betting account based in the UK, so what I'm trying to do there is effectively build that account and put additional money into it when I need to. At the moment it's still gaining so far 2% on the past couple of weeks. Pretty good progress, and we can see that as we go through we're able to compound that and make bigger and better returns week on week. Free trade for me is a stocks account. Not traded that one too much, but again, I did have a dividend payment coming out of Vodafone, which I held for a while. So that was about a £300 payment into the account. Nice to have that one. So that topped it up overall. I'll start trading that one and get more aggressively come September. And my last one is my Diamond X account, where I've actually had a really good performance on that one overall this month. I'm now looking to get another allocation with them to get the maximum I can over a 3-month period. And we can see from the equity curve, it is progressing in the right direction. There have been some days where I've not traded at all, or even gone for a week without trading it, but we can see that the direction is going in a most positive direction, and obviously looking to then scale up to the gold level in the next 3 or 4 months when I get to the minimum requirements, which have an account for 8 months with them. So again, we can see there overall positivity on all the accounts going in the right direction. So the main reason why I'm sharing all these numbers weekly is to show that it is possible to make money trading. It's very easy to get disheartened if you're in a drawdown or you're doing any prop firm challenges, or even your own account isn't making money at all. It is possible if you stick to your own trading rules, stick to discipline, have a great mindset and never give up. It takes years of dedication to get to a point where you're able to just trade freely without the emotions getting involved. Most people want to be a millionaire in the first couple of weeks of trading. The reality is it takes a very, very long time. And most people who are at that millionaire status don't even talk about it. They just carry on doing the same things, just trading, enjoying life, enjoying the lifestyle, and have a great time doing it. It's not difficult, it is enjoyable. And that's why I say to everybody, just stick with it and the results will come. So thanks for watching today, and I'll catch you all very soon with some more results. Cheers.